sail down the beautiful Kona coastline aboard the Big Island's newest luxury sailing yacht, Poku Nui, a spacious 50-foot sailing catamaran, true to her translated Hawaiian name, Big Star. Enjoy the shade the open-air cabin and galley top provides, with plenty of seating, spacious decks, netted trampolines, large restrooms, and wide staircases for easy water entry. As we sail down a coastline forged by ancient lava flows, learn about the Hawaiian history of the area. Find out why the marine sanctuary of Kealakekua Bay and the Captain Cook Monument is so sacred to Hawaiian kings. Snorkel in the vibrant coral reef, experiencing an underwater world full of color, mystery, and wonder. Home to colorful schools of fish and pods of spinner dolphins. It's no wonder the bay is considered the Big Island's snorkeling hotspot. On the return trip, enjoy lunch and snacks as you keep a watchful eye for marine life and seasonal Hawaiian humpback whales along the breathtaking Kona coast. Book today for a lifetime adventure.